If after providing your services or after the selling of the product, you receive cash in a return, then it will create two impact on the business. Firstly, the cash of the business will increase. Cash is the asset of a business, means the asset has increased, and the other one is revenue. Revenue means business sales will increase. Sales is the income for a business. So here we have seen firstly one asset has increased, and on the other side the business income has increased when revenue received in the form of cash or sales made to customers in the form of cash, or you simply say that when sales are made in cash, sales will increase and the cash will increase.